It's never too late to change careers. In this video, I'm going to be discussing a few signs that you are ready for a change, what things to consider before the change, and if you decide to go for it, how to start the career change. So sometimes in your 20s, you decide you wanted to be an engineer. Fast forward 20 years into the future, you're starting to feel less passionate about engineering. If this scenario sounds familiar and slightly scares you, you should know that it's totally normal. Humans grow, and as they do, so they start to change. What brought you joy then might not bring you joy now, and that's okay. But making a career change may seem like a drastic step, right? It can be intimidating to feel like you're starting your career all over again. But you should keep in mind, you're only restarting your career. And your career isn't your life. The skills you have learned in your past job will transfer to your new passion. And this most definitely gives you an advantage. Still, you want to make sure it's the right step. So here are some things to consider if you are unsure about a career change. First, you feel like you've learned everything you can in your field and find that whether something new does come up, you feel like you master it with ease. Or worse, you don't care to master it at all. This might mean that your challenges and tasks at your work are no longer driving you to be curious and passionate, and you might need a change. Second, is it the career choice or the place of employment? You should talk to your peers, employers elsewhere. Maybe what you're really looking for is a simple change in the workplace. If you find yourself lacking energy, feeling bored, or dreading the start of the work week, sit down with yourself and figure out if the reason has to do with the task you're assigned or something else entirely. Fourth, if your career requires physical activity, it might just be that your body cannot handle it anymore, and you must listen to your body. This paired with a struggle to concentrate, or more importantly, if it isn't impacting your self-esteem, making you doubt yourself or feel unheard or unseen, then you could be in need of a change. All this combined with the very unfortunately undefinable sixth sense, the gut feeling, should help you realize whether a career change is the right choice for you. And now that you've decided that it is, well, how do you go about it? First, write down all the skills you've learned that are transferable. This could be both hard and soft skills. Hard skills being programs you have had to learn and work, machines you know how to operate, or general process and theories you are familiar with. Soft skills are your communication skills, your adaptability, leadership skills, emotional intelligence. These skills are a bit harder to rate and score, but knowing your strengths and weaknesses here can help you figure out what you want. Second, now take stock of what you're actually interested in. What's a topic that gets you excited to learn? Or what to discuss or talk about. If you're unsure, then it's time to do some soul searching, research and experimentation. Try different courses and class, or you could try volunteering. Maybe even shadow a friend whose career sounds interesting. Try to have fun with it, as ultimately this change is meant to enrich your life with enthusiasm and excitement. Third, once you've figured out what you want to do, you need to know if you can get the job simply through learning on the job, or if you have to obtain a new degree. Here you must consider your financial situation and figure out if you can afford it or not. And you also need to consider the different responsibilities and obligations you have at home. It could be that you may not be able to leave your work completely and get enrolled in a study program, but that's where we at IU can help. Because career change or not, there should be no limitations to education or how you want to live your life. With IU, you can study part-time or full-time completely at your own pace, from either of one of our beautiful campuses or even from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere with internet connection. Do not compromise on your happiness. You should work in an environment you feel appreciated in, doing tasks you love to do. Feel free to check our other YouTube videos where we have already discussed a few programs available at IU. And please don't hesitate to reach out to ask any questions about your potential future study plan. Thanks for watching.